minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine. Something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground. Still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain. Bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand, drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it from underground, ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. bones, we are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual, yeah, brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade, we are the sound that won't obey. Break the wall, feel the claw, earth and steel collide and fall. We are the fire in the dirt. Sound of liberation. Burn, 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 I feel it rise under my skin. The drums of war are burning in. No control, no fear inside. Just rhythm that we cannot hide. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, shattering the same old dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade, we are the sound that won't obey. Listen! The ground is breathing. Listen! The ground is breathing. Smoke rising from the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. No more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down, let the earth shake loud. Break it down, we are one, we are proud. Break it down, let the earth shake loud. We are one, we are proud. Concrete jungle, iron skies, still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, ancestors are always near. Every beat against my chest feels like I was born for this test. No more running from the sound, I let the spirit drag me down. From the dust we rise again, through the fire, through the pain. Hear the calling in my soul, taking back what I was told. Fire beneath the skin, feel the power creeping in. Let the darkness spin. This is the ashes we ignite. Ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Rising from the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within, break it down, let the earth shake loud. Break it down, we are one, we are proud. Hey, 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 hey. Concrete jungle, iron sky, still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, chaos pull you in. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. Fight. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. future meet. Yeah, skank groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. Hey, we rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron air, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey.